I'm Mark Baxter with US Products, and I'd like to introduce you to the Sharpshooter Carpet Wand. This is the 16.0. This wand has a 2-inch tube, which is 6061 aircraft aluminum. We have a rotationally molded head, a Delrin glide, which is held on by 4 attachment points, 1 on each end, 2 in the center. We have a stainless steel manifold with 4 spray jets, which are 1.5s, which equal a number 6 orifice. Behind the QD, we have an inline filter, which protects the K valve of any contaminants entering it. We follow the spray line down. We notice that we have here, which is an inline check valve. So once you stop spraying, any water that's trapped in this line will not flow through the manifold onto the carpet. You know, when looking at the head, we have this feature in here. This feature creates an air velocity at the neck, which gives us a true airflow across the entire width and speeds it up the tube for a laminar airflow. This is an excellent wand for the truck mount industry, and I think you'd be greatly satisfied with it.